Hey guys, it's Carlie Cooks and Crunch edition. So I found these. So there's Cocoa Pebbles Crisps and Fruity Pebbles Crisps. I'll be finding all the goodies. Look at how pretty these are. Solo Dolo. But then, so you already know it escalated, and my ideas. Alone, 5. With this, 10. Fire. So then, when your TikTok fam fully supports and loves and even encourages your foodie content, they give you So shout out to Felicia for the caloric idea. Let's try just caramel. Can we just appreciate the beauty in this? Okay, see you later. Love you. Bye.